Welcome to Rebuild. In this video, we take you on a tour through the transformation of a wooden cabin from the World War II era into an off-grid living space. After a full year of careful work and creativity, you'll see how this historic cabin was brought back to life in a completely new way. At the beginning, concrete pillars were poured to enlarge the cabin, creating space for a small porch and a bedroom. For building the structural supports and wooden beams, 12 by 12 centimeter pine beams were used to enhance durability and strength. The new design brings the cabin to life by combining modern elements with its traditional rustic charm, creating a comfortable living space. In the past, this cabin was just a grain storage, but now it is being renovated into a comfortable family home. The old asbestos ceiling is removed in just one day, making the space ready for the new structure. Lasco is used to mark the precise lines and extension for the new wooden beam ring. The area is now prepared, ensuring precise alignment for installing the new beams. The 12 by 12 centimeter wooden beams are carefully set in place, giving the extension a strong and reliable support. The wooden beams are treated with a protective antiseptic, preparing them to be covered with a coat of paint later on. The 5 by 15 centimeter boards for the second floor are arranged with a 55 centimeter gap between each one to allow for insulation later. The roof construction phase begins by carefully placing the wooden beams to establish the primary framework. Collar ties are used to secure the wooden beams and provide extra support for the roof. The OCB panels placed on the beams form a solid base for the ceiling finish. Support beams are placed under the ceiling beams to provide extra support and increase the structure's strength. The wooden beams are reinforced with extra metal brackets to strengthen the structure and increase its durability over time. The wooden facade is fitted with an insect screen and coated on both sides to reduce warping and increase weather resistance. Clay tiles are carefully installed from the bottom up to ensure full and precise coverage. Each tile is carefully installed and securely fastened to prevent any movement during storms or harsh weather. A protective wall was built around the chimney to ensure safety and maintain proper separation from the surrounding structures. Insulation is installed on the wall to improve energy efficiency and retain heat around the chimney. Insulation is installed on the wall to improve energy efficiency and retain heat around the chimney. The exterior wall framing is carried out with precision to ensure proper alignment, and then the wall is filled with bricks to create a solid barrier for the chimney without compromising the structural integrity. Concrete is poured into the first block of the chimney to ensure a solid and stable base that supports the structure. New blocks are carefully stacked on top to raise the chimney through the roof until it reaches the ideal height. The chimney is fully waterproofed to maintain its durability and prevent any leaks, and bricks are used to cover it, giving it a strong and attractive appearance. The roof was finished with clay tiles, and a white painted facade was added to complete the cabin's look. The exterior wall framing is carried out with high precision to ensure proper alignment of all building components. The vertical supports are arranged at equal intervals and securely fastened to the bottom plate to enhance the structure's stability. This process aims to strengthen the building using materials resistant to weather forces like wind, rain, and snow, ensuring its long-lasting durability. A wooden structure is built for the bathroom and kitchen to effectively strengthen and support the overall building frame. The old wooden floor was carefully prepared, with 18mm OSB panels installed to create a solid and level surface. The first layer is installed directly on the surface, followed by additional layers to achieve maximum protection. A vapor barrier is added to prevent moisture from reaching the insulation and to keep it safe. The barrier is tightly sealed to ensure the insulation remains in perfect condition without any leaks. Renovating an off-grid cabin isn't easy. It takes a careful balance between keeping its original charm and adding practical improvements without losing its magic. Achieving a balance between modern comforts and rustic style requires careful planning to preserve the cabin's original atmosphere and unique spirit. To ensure a sturdy and energy-efficient cabin, it's essential to carefully choose the right materials. Every step in renovating the cabin is carefully planned to balance functionality with aesthetic value, creating a cohesive and inviting space. The electrical cables are carefully routed through the walls to ensure balanced power reaches every corner of the space. The first layer of the wall frame is covered with OCB panels, creating a strong base for the work that follows. Next, the drywall is installed as a second layer, strengthening the structure and preparing the surface for finishing. Combining OCB panels with drywall provides sturdy insulation and smooth walls, perfect for the final interior finishes. UPVC windows are made from unplasticized polyvinyl chloride, providing strength and resistance to weather and corrosion. And the first step is to carefully measure the window openings to ensure a perfect fit. After this step, the openings are carefully prepared and cut, ensuring the windows slide smoothly without any gaps. After the windows are installed, they're carefully inspected to ensure proper alignment and smooth, efficient operation. The construction continues with installing the OSB panels, followed by adding the drywall in the kitchen area. The electrical boxes are carefully installed to ensure proper alignment with future outlets and switches. Living off-grid offers greater peace, stronger self-reliance, and a deeper connection to nature and its natural rhythms. Living in a wooden cabin surrounded by greenery creates a unique connection with the environment that's hard to find in the noise of the city. The cabin renovation aims to preserve the surrounding natural beauty while focusing on sustainability and minimizing environmental impact. Recycled materials are an ideal choice for keeping renovation costs low while providing durable and attractive design solutions. Do-it-yourself methods help give the project a unique personal touch, while keeping the budget under control and avoiding high labor costs. In this way, the project becomes a true reflection of your personality and taste, where every touch you add combines creativity with practical function, all while keeping the budget under control and avoiding high costs, resulting in a unique and distinctive outcome that clearly expresses your personal style. Exterior insulation on the foundation walls helps reduce heat loss, enhancing energy efficiency. The barrier prevents moisture from seeping into the foundation, reducing the risk of mold. Insulated foundation walls protect the building from frost heave, reducing the likelihood of cracks and structural damage over time. Proper insulation helps maintain a stable indoor temperature, providing consistent comfort throughout the year. Reinforcing insulation with mesh and mortar helps the building withstand weather fluctuations for a long time. The layers of tri-walls are covered with a layer of clay, creating an even surface suitable for the final paint. The first layer of insulation surrounds the wooden cabin completely, providing secure protection and continuous warmth. The first layer of insulation surrounds the wooden cabin completely, providing secure protection and continuous warmth. The second layer of insulation is added after the first, providing double protection against both cold and heat. All seams and gaps between the insulation layers are carefully sealed, ensuring no air leaks and maintaining a continuous thermal barrier. A coat of white primer is applied to the cabin's interior walls to ensure a smooth surface ready for the final finish. After the primer, 2 coats of colored paint are applied, with mold-resistant paint used in the kitchen and bathroom for protection against moisture. The wooden panels are securely fixed to the ceiling, providing full stability and a perfect surface for the interior decor. The wooden beams are carefully installed on the exterior walls, forming a solid base to support the wooden facade panels. The wooden door is designed with great care and durable materials, combining strength with smooth usability. The door handle is securely fixed, providing an easy and comfortable opening and closing experience. The door is installed on the frame, with final adjustments made to ensure precise alignment. The exterior wooden panels are securely installed, adding a natural charm while providing protection for the structure. The window decorations are carefully installed to ensure precise fitting and a neat finish. The kitchen floor tiles are installed precisely, maintaining equal gaps between them to achieve a harmonious appearance. The wooden staircase is designed to connect different levels within the home, providing safe and comfortable access. The staircase is carefully designed to ensure consistent height and spacing for each step, providing safety and comfort, with strong, defect-free wooden panels selected for the steps and frame. Each step is carefully secured onto the beams, ensuring even spacing and level alignment for smooth movement. Finally, the handrail is installed, providing stability and support while completing the overall design of the staircase. The handrail not only provides support and stability, but also adds an aesthetic touch that complements the staircase design, enhancing safety while combining functionality and beauty. After preparing the walls, the tiles are carefully selected to complement the overall bathroom design, adding a modern and elegant touch that highlights the beauty of the space and makes it more comfortable for both the eye and daily use. The house is approaching its final stage, with only a few simple steps remaining to complete the project. Everything is progressing in an organized manner, moving forward steadily, just as it was planned. The wood stove pipes are carefully designed to ensure proper fitting and safe connections, enhancing performance and preventing any potential hazards. After installation, the system undergoes inspection and testing to verify its full functionality and safety. The vanity cabinet is designed to combine beauty and functionality for storing essential bathroom items, with marble surfaces on both cabinets adding elegance and enhancing the durability of the design. All elements in the bathroom have been carefully arranged and connected, ensuring a neat and elegant appearance. The kitchen cabinets have been fully installed and secured, providing a clean and organized space for appliances. The refrigerator, induction cooktop, and oven have also been installed, making all appliances ready for use in the fully equipped kitchen. The doors have been painted to harmonize with the rustic yet modern style of the wooden cabin, adding a cohesive and appealing touch. The shower cabin has been fully completed, creating an organized and functional space while adding a modern touch to the overall design. A new sink has been added to the kitchen, enhancing both the practical functionality and the aesthetic appeal of the space. And so we reach the end of this remarkable project, where the wooden cabin has been transformed into a fully functional space that combines comfort, elegance, and practicality. From the precise finishes to the small details in every corner, creativity and dedication are evident throughout. This project is more than just a living space. It's a unique experience that reflects refined taste and personal touches, making the cabin warm and inviting. Truly, it is a living example of how creativity and careful planning can turn any space into a dream home.